welcome back to AG Blend. Hello everyone, welcome to AG Blend.
So the kids want to do the intro, so I'll let them do it. So today we are going to share with you guys how to make restaurant style fish fry masala. It is so easy to make it. It takes like maybe 5 to 10 minutes. So stay tuned. So let's marinate our fish first. I'll be using 1 pound of salmon, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon black pepper, 1.5 teaspoon salt. Salt always add for your taste, and 1 tablespoon olive oil. I am going to cut my salmon into 4 pieces because it's really big. Now I am going to smash all these ingredients together. You can use garlic powder if you want to. I am using grinding stone to grind the garlic really good. I am going to add black pepper. You can use the black pepper powder instead of this, but I like to use the whole black pepper and the garlic, so it will give you like a really good flavor. So I already grind the garlic and the black pepper. Into that I'm going to add salt. Now I am adding olive oil. Makes it really good. Alright everyone, so I'm going to apply that to the fish. Now flip the fish and do it on both sides. On the side also. I'm going to keep this one in the fridge 30 minutes. If you guys can keep longer, it tastes more better. Alright everyone, so this is the ingredients you need. To make the paste, I'm using 2 small tomatoes. I'm using really small ginger. I'm using 5 small shallots here. You can use regular onions, it's fine. Also I'm using 3 clove garlic, 1 small green chili slice, some curry leaves, 1 teaspoon salt. Salt always add for your taste. So I'm using 4 tablespoon coconut oil. You can use any different oil, it doesn't matter. I'll be using same oil for fry the fish and to make the sauce. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. I'm using 1 tablespoon Kashmiri chili powder. You can use a regular chili powder if you want to make it really spicy. I'm using 1 cup coconut milk. If you don't have a coconut milk, you can use heavy whipping cream also. When you buy a coconut milk, make sure it's a thicker consistency. Let's slice all the other ingredients. Alright, so fire up the stove. Put the pan ready to add our coconut oil. Time to add our fish. Salmon doesn't take a long time to cook. It's cooked really fast. As you guys can see the side, it's already been cooked. Now put the heat down. Time to flip the fish. So make sure you fry the fish the way you prefer. Our salmon is ready. It takes like maybe less than 5 minutes. I'm gonna move the fish from the oil now. Alright, let's go make our sauce. Onto the same oil, I'm going to add our garlic. Make sure your flames are really low. Garlic is getting ready. I'm going to add ginger. I'm going to add green chilies, curry leaves. Going to add our shallots or onion. Makes it really good. I'm going to add the salt. Salt always add for your taste and give it a good mix. Now I am going to add turmeric powder. Now I'm going to add chili powder. Make sure when you do this, your heat has to be like really low. Otherwise, all the chili powder and the turmeric powder is gonna get burnt. It's getting ready now. Time to add our tomatoes. Mix it really good. Close the lid and cook it. In between, open the lid and give it a good mix. Now you guys can see our tomato cooked really good. Into this, we are going to add our coconut milk. Give it a good mix. Check the salt. If you want it, you can add more. This is the best time to check the salt. Okay, turn the stove off now. That's it. Let it cool down. Then we could blend this one into a blender and make like a fine paste. Let's blend our sauce. This is the way it's supposed to be. It's a nice fine paste like this. Alright guys, so our food is ready to be served. So I'll be serving with fried rice. You can serve this food with a salad or chapati. It's really good. And my kids are ready to eat, so let's try it.
Good guys.
Wow, look at that, guys.
Wow, oh my god.
Hey, look. I like the sauce. Means like make sure you eat with the sauce. The sauce is give you like a really good flavor. As you guys can see, the kids are enjoying it. It doesn't take that long to make it. It takes maybe like 5 to 10 minutes to make this. Gravy is like really rich. Kids will love it. How is it?
Best cooker. Best cooker.
I'm a best cooker. How is it? Good? You like it? Is yeah?
One more.
You want more? Do you want more?
Yeah.
I know my wife is gonna be really sad tomorrow because you know we tried without her and it came out really good. I still saved some for her to try. Also, when you make this for the kids, make sure you don't put too much black pepper, and if you want to make it a little bit sweet, you know, when you blend the sauce, put some sugar in it so you know they can enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I want to thank all my subscribers who are subscribed to my channel. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. Also, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Share the video with your friends and family. Until I see you next time, stay blessed.